Welcome back to LGS Cars, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive design and innovation. Today, we're thrilled to dive into the 2025 Chevrolet C10 SVG, a modern twist on the beloved classic pickup that combines vintage style with cutting-edge technology. Buckle up, because this isn't just a truck. It's a journey through time and innovation, a nostalgic rebirth. The 2025 Chevrolet C10 SVG takes inspiration from its iconic predecessor, but with a 21st century makeover. The moment you lay eyes on it, you're transported back to the glory days of American pickups. Picture this: a bold grille that demands attention, flared fenders that echo classic muscle cars, and modern LED headlights that slice through the night with a futuristic flair. It's nostalgia meets modernity in a design that screams, "Look at me." Raw power under the hood. When it comes to performance, the C10 SVG doesn't just walk the walk, it roars. Under that beautifully sculpted hood, you'll find a 5.3-liter V8 engine churning out 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. For the true power aficionados, there's the monstrous 6.2-liter V8 option, pushing an earth-shaking 460 horsepower. Imagine merging onto the highway and feeling like you're piloting a rocket. The advanced suspension and precision steering ensure that power is delivered smoothly, no matter the terrain. Luxury meets utility. Inside. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that perfectly balances rugged utility and modern luxury. The seats are more than just comfortable. They're designed to cradle you in high-quality materials that exude sophistication. The dashboard, a perfect blend of analog charm and digital convenience, featuring a large touchscreen interface with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And let's not forget the premium sound system that makes every drive a concert on wheels. Tech-savvy features. The C10 SVG is packed with the latest automotive technology to keep you safe and connected. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking are just the tip of the iceberg. The truck's Wi-Fi hotspot and multiple USB ports ensure that your devices are always charged and connected, making it perfect for both work and leisure. Plus, the hands-free power tailgate means you can load it up with ease after a long day of adventures. Sustainable sophistication. While the C10 SVG pays homage to the past, it's firmly planted in the future with its eco-friendly design. Lightweight materials and efficient engine options help reduce its carbon footprint, proving that power and sustainability can coexist. It's a nod to the past with a commitment to the future. The 2025 Chevrolet C10 SVG isn't just a pickup truck. It's a rolling piece of art that bridges the gap between nostalgia and innovation. Whether you're tackling tough jobs or cruising the city streets, this truck is designed to impress and perform. Stay tuned to LG Cars for more thrilling insights and updates on the latest automotive marvels.